Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how you can log into your finance account on a desktop. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Start by clicking open a web browser first and typing finance. Com in the search box and press the on tiny keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Binance cryptocurrency. Now, in order to log into your account, go and click on the login link at the upper right, which will bring out the login area. You can log into your account with your email and even with your phone number. It depends on how you registered for Binance in the first place. Since I use my email in order to register for my account, let me click on the email tab. If you use the mobile option, then you can click on the mobile tab and enter your phone number and then your password for your Binance account and click on Login. Let me go ahead and enter my email address that is associated with finance. Typing your email correct in order to log into your account and move on to the next field and type in your password for your account. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you'd like to double check your password, and click on this icon in the right corner, which will help you reveal your password before moving on. In case you've forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link right below and follow the instructions to reset your password to a new one. After you're done with everything, click on Login, complete the puzzle for verification, and you'll be logged into your Binance cryptocurrency account in no time. That is how it is done. It's pretty quick and easy. I hope you found that video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for us, I'll send it back with more tutorial episodes. Again, thank you for watching.